One of the fundamental principles of business and entrepreneurship is identifying a problem, a need, or a pain point and creating a solution to address it. Here are the steps most businesses and entrepreneurs go through. Identifying a problem. Successful entrepreneurs often start by observing the world around them and identifying problems or challenges that people face. Many of the world's most successful companies such as Apple, Amazon, Google, among others, employ this principle. Even successful people, the rich and the famous, understand that one must provide a solution to a problem in order to make money. This problem-solving approach is not limited to product-based businesses. It's also true for services, not-for-profit organizations, sports, entertainment, and various other ventures. When my wife and I started a residential and office cleaning business, we focused on serving busy professionals that valued reliable, quality service. Making money is that simple. Just solve a problem that people are willing to pay for the solution. But remember, entrepreneurship is not solely about making money. It's also about creating value, solving real-world problems, and making a positive impact in a society. When entrepreneurs succeed in these aspects, financial success often follows as a natural outcome. If you are considering starting a business or pursuing an entrepreneurial endeavor, remember that your ability to identify problems, create valuable solutions, is the foundation of your success. So how does one go about identifying these problems in people's lives and creating innovative solutions? I'm glad you should ask. Sit back and relax. I'll do my best to explain. Here are the steps most businesses and entrepreneurs go through. Identifying a problem. Successful entrepreneurs often start by observing the world around them and identifying problems or challenges that people face. These problems can range from everyday inconveniences to more significant issues in the society. Sometimes it's a problem they are facing in their own lives. When we started our house cleaning business, I was working full-time outside the home and my wife was staying at home raising our 2 children. We both didn't have time to thoroughly clean our house. It became clear to us that if we didn't have time to clean our own house, there were other people in our city experiencing the same issue. This is how the idea of starting a house cleaning business was conceived. Market research. Once a problem is identified, entrepreneurs conduct market research to understand the problem's scope and whether there is demand for a solution. This research helps validate the business idea and refine the solution. My wife and I own a business that provides storage space for people to store their boats, cars, and RVs. Before venturing into this business, I called local storage facilities pretending to be a potential customer looking for a place to store a boat. Most of the storage facilities were fully rented and asked me if I wanted to be added to their long waiting list. And that's all I needed to determine the demand for this service in my local area. The next step is creating a solution. With a clear understanding of the problem, entrepreneurs develop a solution that addresses the problem effectively. This solution can take the form of a product, service, or innovation. With regards to the storage businesses, we focused our attention on identifying facilities that were not fully rented in cities with strong demand. These tend to be poorly run facilities, didn't have online presence, or rarely answered customer calls, and facilities whose cable appeal needed an uplift, among other things. And we fixed this up and they were good to go. Value proposition. The key to success is offering a solution that provides value to potential customers. The solution should be better, more efficient, more cost-effective than the existing alternatives. With the cleaning business, our research showed that most of the cleaners in our town were solo cleaners, doing an okay job and didn't know how to charge for their services. So we targeted high-paying customers who valued professional and high-quality service from a reliable company. Our cleaning crew wore uniforms with company logo and were very professional and respectful. They received a lot of tips from happy customers. We also got a lot of 5-star Google and Facebook reviews. We avoided like a plague potential customers that cared more about the price than the service. Business plan. Entrepreneurs create business plan that outlines how they will bring the solution to the market. This plan includes details on target customers, marketing strategies, pricing, and financial projections. Business plans are never accurate once you start running the business, but are a good roadmap for your business. The next step is execution. Executing a business plan involves creating the product, delivering the service, marketing it to the target audience, and building a customer base. Without sales, no business survives. Watch the video showing on your screen if you want to know how to start a business with no money, or how we marketed the house cleaning business earlier on, and tips on finding off-market properties to buy. Iterate and improve. Successful entrepreneurs continuously gather feedback from customers and use it to improve the solution. This iterative process helps refine the product, service, and better meet the customer needs. With the storage facilities, a lot of potential customers inquired if we had security cameras on our properties. So we installed the cameras and started marketing this feature as a benefit for storing with us. Scaling. As the business grows and gains traction, entrepreneurs may scale up their operations, expand their customer base, and explore the new markets and opportunities. After learning the storage business in our market, we are now looking at opportunities in different markets hundreds of miles away from where we started. So that's how you identify a problem and create a solution. With that, let's go start some businesses, solve some problems, and make some bucks. If this video helped you, please share, like, and subscribe to the channel. This will help the channel to reach more people. And don't forget to leave a comment. This is Kenny signing off. Thank you for watching. And remember, there's greatness in you. Until next time, stay blessed, my friends.